In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually enroll users into a course in LifterLMS. This is useful when you want to grant access without requiring the user to complete checkout, add a student who purchased elsewhere, or just handle things manually for a client or team member if this is an internal training site. First off, head over to your WordPress dashboard and in the left sidebar here, navigate to your LifterLMS courses, and then open up the course you want to enroll someone into. As an example, we'll use the LifterLMS Quick Start course. Scroll down to the bottom of the course editor and look for the Student Management section here. This is where you can manage existing enrollments as well as enroll new students. To enroll a new student, simply enter their email address or username here. Bear in mind that this is contingent on this user having an existing account on this WordPress website. On this particular site, I know that there is a user who currently has access to no courses with the username Annabelle35. To demonstrate that, I'll go ahead and switch over to that user and then head over to the dashboard where you can see that they are not enrolled in any courses and also not enrolled in any memberships. Now let's switch back to our admin account on this demo site. Simply enter the username or email of this user and confirm that this is the user you want to enroll, and then hit Enroll Students. You can, of course, enroll multiple students at once. Now, if we switch back to our Annabelle35 user, you'll see that the next time they log in, they'll be greeted with the notification letting them know they've been enrolled in a new course. And if they head to the dashboard, they'll now see the new course that they're enrolled in. And that's really it. This is the easiest way to quickly grant someone access to courses individually in LifterLMS. However, depending on the type of site you run with LifterLMS, you might find yourself granting people access to courses and even collections of courses quite often. To manage this, we recommend using the concept of a membership in LifterLMS. A membership can protect and sell or provide access to a combination of courses, pages, and posts. Essentially, you can mix and match what you would like included in your membership as you please. Granting access to a course does not require a membership, as we have just covered, but memberships do make it easy to manage access to multiple courses all at once. For example, let's say this is an internal training site for our team. We might have a team called Video Production, and that team has access to multiple courses. To keep this simple, let's say there are 3. Pre-production and planning, recording and setup, and post-production. To illustrate this example, let's create those 3 courses with those names. Now, I want to enroll a new team member into all 3 courses related to their work on our video production team. Instead of doing that individually every time someone joins, you can simply create a membership called, let's say, video production as well, and then scroll down to the membership settings area and head to the auto enrollment tab. And here, we will add the courses we want to automatically enroll members of the video production team to. So I'll go ahead and add those 3 courses we just created. Then I'll hit save. And now that this is set up, the next time you want to add someone to all of the courses in your membership, you can simply navigate back to the membership itself. Then scroll down to the student management area, which you'll already be familiar with from when we enrolled someone in an individual course. And here, you'll be able to enroll users in the same way as you did for the individual course earlier. I'll select the admin account I'm currently logged into to demonstrate that, then hit Enroll Students as earlier. And now if I head back to the dashboard, I'll see that I've been granted access to the membership in question, as well as enrolled in the individual courses, both with the notifications and if I head to the dashboard under My Courses and My Memberships. We've now successfully manually enrolled a user into an individual LifterLMS course, and have set up a membership to make it easier to grant access to groups of courses in the future. If this was helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment with any other LifterLMS tutorials you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.